Hi, so in today's vlog we'll start the van renovation. So first we'll take all the stuff out and then take apart the kitchen and then put the new floor in. So stay tuned for that. Okay, all the stuff is out and now we're gonna tear this apart. Okay, so we took everything out. See all this mess, and he's naked. Oh my gosh. It's just so hard to believe we're here again. So now we're gonna put the floor down. We decided to go with Reflectix. Just because we survived Canadian winter with the heater, and this is fine, but we're gonna buy a thicker wood, like plywood, but put a thinner insulation, if that makes sense. Okay, so while Gasper went to buy the plywood, we're right in front of Rona's. We always do work here because it's just so easy to jump in if you need anything. So he went to buy plywood and I'm gonna put the insulation down. So this was the easy part. Working with the Reflectix is very simple. You just spread it out on the floor, then cut the corners out, make it fitted, and then we didn't even have to paste it because we put the plywood right on top of it, so it's gonna hold in place. Then we did similar with the plywood, put it on the floor and make it fit into our van. So cut the corners out wherever we had to. So whenever we both go into the store, we have to put the valuable stuff in the van, and only the trash stays outside. What are we doing now?
We are shopping again for stuff.
This is why it's handy to park in front of the hardware store so you can just jump in whenever you need. We need some extra screws to fasten down the plywood, and then we also have to buy the floor. We went with the linoleum, a lighter color but not too light so you can't see all the dirt from the outside. We are back from the store. We took everything out of the van again, and now we're just cleaning up and doing final touches on the plywood before we put the floor down. Okay, yay, we have the base down. So we put Reflectix in the bottom, and then this is some sort of plywood, and we put a 2x4 here, and yeah, I love it. It's very sturdy and it looks amazing. But we bought this linoleum, is that how you call it? And we'll put this down right now. Wish me luck. So what I'm doing right now is just spreading out the floor and then see how I want it to be. And then I started cutting all the corners to make it fitted again like it did with the Reflectix. And then at the end, we are gonna paste it to the floor. We're using a spray adhesive, and that's how it's gonna stay in place. Yay, the floor is down. But it started raining, so we have to be quick. Now the cleaning up part, we just have to put everything back into the van again and make it organized and tidy so we can live like that until the renovations are finished. So pretty. Okay, another productive Sunday.
So productive.
So we finished the floor, but you can't see it because it's all trash.
Yes.
So now we're off to throw the trash away and
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Some wow and then go to bed.
and then in the next one we'll start building something. Kitchen or bathroom, we don't know yet. So thank you
Something.
for watching.
See you next
Bye.
time.